What is up, my stunning mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 fragrances that have had people stop and ask me what I'm wearing. Before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, please consider hitting that big red subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Both of those help me out immensely. The first fragrance that I'm going to talk about is Tom Ford's Ombre Leather. At $250 Australian, this isn't a realistic purchase for most people, but in saying that, it's never failed to get me a compliment. This smells decadent, rich and sweet. The leather note in this is just sublime. And it's not real leather or anything, so it doesn't conflict with my vegan ideology or anything like that. This is just simply one of the best fragrances that I've ever worn, and it's probably my favorite fragrance of all time. It's classy, decadent, sweet, and the performance is next level. If you don't scrub this one off in the shower, you'll be smelling it for days and days. But again, at $250, it's out of reach for most Australians, and there's simply better fragrances out there when it comes to value. However, as far as compliments are concerned, there's nothing better. Next up is Hugo Boss Bottled Night. This is a much more affordable scent, and it gets me just as many compliments. Top notes: birch leaf, heart notes of cardamom, base notes of amarillo wood, and musky notes. The notes that really stand out to me in this one are the birch. This is front and center a birch scent, and it's just got such a unique woodiness to it. It's a little spicy, it's a little dark, but it's not dirty or anything like that. It's a fantastic smelling fragrance, and I love the bottle design as well. This one sets you back about $70 Australian. I've seen it more or less for the same price on eBay as well, so it's pretty readily available. As far as compliments are concerned, this is another stunning choice. Performance is above average at about 7 hours, but it's not going to rock your world or anything. However, for something that smells this good, I still highly recommend it. And lastly, we've got Azzaro Wanted by Night. Wanted by Night is another one of those fragrances that excel at nighttime. This has a really rich amber base, some citrus up the top, but it's that amber that really lingers and makes it last on your skin. This is a 12-hour scent, 12-hour plus scent, I should say. This is one of those scents that I much prefer to wear at night as opposed to during the day. It just suits night times much better. Performance again, incredible, and the price for this was about $70 Australian, so quite solid value considering the performance of it. And it's got one of those almost Invictus type sweetnesses, so people just love it. Anyways, those are just 3 fragrances that I've worn this week that have had people stop me and ask what I'm wearing. If you've ever worn these before, let me know in the comments below. What have you worn this week that has gotten you a compliment? And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.